so I haven't ridden her today. I didn't ride her yesterday actually because it was too hot.
Yeah.
She was supposed to have her teeth done a bit later, but yeah, he said he couldn't do it later, so he had to come earlier.
Good.
Yeah. It's too hot to ride.
Keep the rhythm. So how long have you got to wait? Can you ride tomorrow?
Yeah, I can ride tomorrow, I think.
Is your teeth alright?
Yeah, she just, one of her, like 4 of her teeth are like that, and then the rest of the row is like that, just in a bit. So she has a little bit, and she's just got a bit of a pocket
Right.
between, you know, the line there and the line there. There's a little bit there. So yeah, and he just took the grass out and her feed, a bit of a feed out, and he said hopefully it'll start to go up before she gets even more stuck in there. So yeah,
Good.
good apart from that.
Christ.